Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the world of Miele dishwashers and tackling the infamous F19 error code from 2025. If your dishwasher is beeping or flashing this code, it usually means there's an issue with the water inlet system, like a blockage or a sensor problem. Don't panic. This is a common fix that you can handle at home with just a few tools. Let's get started. First things first, safety is key. Before you do anything, make sure your dishwasher is unplugged and the water supply is turned off. This prevents any electrical shocks or water spills. Now, grab a flashlight, some rags, and maybe a wrench. You'll thank me later. Step 1. Check the water supply. Ensure that the water inlet hose isn't kinked or blocked. Give it a thorough inspection for any debris or limescale buildup. If it looks clogged, clean it out or replace it if necessary. This is often the culprit for the F19 error. Next, up is step 2. Inspect the filters. Miele dishwashers have a fine filter at the bottom. Remove it, rinse it under warm water, and make sure it's free of food particles or grease. While you're at it, check the spray arms for any blockages too. They need to rotate freely. Moving on to step 3. Reset the dishwasher. Sometimes, a simple reset does the trick. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, or unplug the unit for a few minutes and plug it back in. Run a test cycle to see if the error clears. If that doesn't work, step 4 involves checking the inlet valve. This might require a bit more effort. You'll need to access the valve, usually located at the back of the machine. Test it with a multimeter if you're comfortable, or call in a professional if you're unsure. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, it could be a faulty sensor or electronic component. At that point, it's best to contact Miele customer support or a certified technician to avoid causing more damage. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing the Miele F19 error code. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe and happy fixing.